Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets, and we start off with the JSE. It was greeted by mostly losses from the Asian markets. Some of the data that investors there were digesting were China's industrial profits for the first 7 months of the year, increasing 3.6% year on year. The all share, those trading in the green today, up by more than 0.4%. That largely being led by the financial 15 with a gain of more than 0.6%. Industrial 25 also following in that same direction, ticking up by more than 0.4%. A slight uptick on the resources 10 complex of just over 1/10%. Let's take a look at what is happening stateside, and we are seeing a mixed picture over there. Of course, it seems that the only thing that investors, well, there's very little actually that investors are interested in outside of Nvidia's results that are coming out tomorrow night there in the US. So markets there are waiting in anticipation. The Dow being the only bourse in the red, they're declining more than 1/10%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq still leading those slight gains that we are seeing there by 0.12%, and the S&P 500 edging up by 0.07%. Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets across the Atlantic. A mixed picture over there as well. The DAX leading the gains we are seeing there, up 0.44%, followed by the FTSE 100 with an uptick of almost 1/3%, and the CAC 40 declining almost 1/4%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene, and we start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. The rand relatively flat against the US dollar at 17 rand 73, against the pound at 23 rand 47, and against the euro at 19 rand 80. Let's check in on how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.11, pound dollar at 1.32, and the yen just above 144 against the US dollar.